here. Okay, looks like it's my web camera. It's got a remote, some straps. That looks like a battery charger. USB cord probably for the battery charger. All kinds of mounts. That'll work on my other mount. Looks pretty good. It's got a 4x optical, so you just put the cap on it. It's another mount I could use for my. Oh, that's perfect. It's got a double spin on it. Thread to thread. Another mount for, oh, that's another one I can use. Pretty nice. All this for $35. That looks just like mine. Wow. One battery. There's supposed to be two batteries, I thought. Maybe one's inside of it. Another pad. Quick connect. I'll go through this. Instructions. Velcro strap looks like. Sticky adhesives. It's got a sticky and quick mount. Assuming it's a quick mount for this. Yep, it slides right in. Let's take that out. Yep, see, look at that. Looks like they're all going to be similar. Cheap plastic. Probably going to break. That one sounds like it cracked already. But you take that bolt out, get rid of the quick connect, put either this on there or this. Oh, let's look at this. There's the camera itself in the case. Yeah, there's battery in there. Looks like USB there. Memory card slot. I don't know what's on this card, but well, let's power up and I'll be back. We'll see what she does. Maybe I'll go to the barn and shoot some footage with it. Pretty cool. 4K. It's supposed to be 4K, 30 frames per second, you know. Well, I'll be back.